Hey everyone, so earlier today I've been looking back at my videos and realized I have not done a review on my Ridgeway grandfather clock. So this video is going to be a review on my Ridgeway grandfather clock. So right off the bat, it's pretty nice. I got this off of OfferUp for $80. I got this thing a year ago. Now, when I got this thing, it had missing parts. First of all, it did not have these two other chains. It only had this one, the time side. Yeah, the time side, and the clock only came with the weights. And the clock did come with a pendulum, but a short pendulum, which is what this one is. So what I ended up doing is making my own, and it's barely keeping time. And well, it's not keeping time really. It's just telling time, like it's gaining time like fast. So yeah. So I'm gonna have to order a new proper pendulum for this thing. And also on the dial, the numbers did come off. I do have some of them. I only have like 4 of them. The other one, I think the other one is missing, I think. Yeah. But yeah. Yeah, this I added here because sentimental reasons. Has really nice designs on the door up here. Nice designs right here on the sides. And a nice design on the base too. And for some reason, I don't know what the hell Ridgeway was on, they decided to add chicken wire to this thing. And this is original, by the way. It's not added. It's not a modification. This is original. So yeah, I don't know why Ridgeway added this, but okay. But yeah. This clock does have a removable hood. You can take the hood off, or the bonnet, or whatever you want to call it. There's 2 little clips on the back, one right there and one back there. Just 2, none on the top. Anyways, now I will demonstrate the chimes. Now, in my previous videos of me chiming this thing, it would chime like 5 minutes after instead of right here. But that has been fixed yesterday by my friend Hayden, aka the Ray 2009. So yeah, except it still does not chime on the hour, which I still don't get, but whatever. At least it's working now. Anyways, now I will demonstrate the chimes. Okay, before I continue, you might be wondering, why doesn't it have ergos rods? Well, those snapped off, and I won't say why. No, I won't say how they snapped off. They just did because they were old as hell. Because they were old and like dusty. I guess if you're wondering, I still have the chime block right here. And the rods that are in this one, these are Yausch rods or Hermele rods, or whatever you want to call them. Those will be taken out and be put into here, so the way the hammers can be adjusted back to the way they originally were. Anyways, let's continue. Here's the Ridgeway logo. Every clock is going off. I have no idea why. Anyways, now for the hour. Now, I doubt this thing will chime on the hour, so I'm just gonna pull the weight down just in case if it does, because that usually works. I can get my, there we go. Nope. See? It does not chime on the hour. That's the confusing part. I don't know why it does. I don't know why it does that. But yeah, anyways. Will it do it here? Nope. No. Nope. What about now? There. So that were the chimes. Now I'm going to take the hood off, or bonnet, whatever you want to call it. But I just call it the hood, because that's how most clock collectors pronounce it. Anyways, now I will take the hood off and that sounds so wrong. And show you the inside. Okay, now with the hood off, now I'll show you the inside. This has a Ergos movement that's only Westminster chime. And this emperor, and my emperor's going off. Anyways, this is a Ergos movement with just Westminster chime. Now, that's what I mean by putting the chime rods in that block and bending the hammers, because right now the hammers are like that. Yeah, here. Yeah. Anyways, now I would demonstrate the chimes. Again, yeah, once again. Oh, and here, there's the hood. And it's doing this thing again. Oh well. Whatever, it's gonna do it right here right now, so yeah. Anyways, now for the hour. So yeah, that was the Ridgeway grandfather clock, or as this thing, or the Ridgeway Breton, which this is what, so, oh my god, which this is what the official name for this clock is, the the Ridgeway Breton. So yeah, anyways, now I'm going to put the hood back on, and this will conclude this video. Anyways, that's gonna do it for this video. So this was the Ridgeway Breton with an ergo's movement. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.